Welcome friends. In this video I am going to find the Fourier expansion over the interval minus pi to plus pi. One or two examples I am going to solve in this video. We know that Fourier expansion for the function f of x over the interval alpha to alpha plus 2l of period 2l as f of x equal to a naught by 2 summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by l plus bn into sin n pi x by l, where a naught is equal to 1 by l integration from alpha to alpha plus 2l f of x dx, and an is 1 by l alpha to alpha plus 2l f of x cos n pi x by l dx, and bn is given by 1 by n into alpha to alpha plus 2l f of x sin n pi x by l dx. This is for the interval alpha to alpha plus 2l with the period 2l. Okay, now I am going to define for minus pi to plus pi. Therefore my interval will become now minus pi to plus pi, and 2l is equal to 2 pi. Okay, this will become here now, if you are comparing with this, alpha will become alpha is equal to minus pi, alpha plus 2l is equal to pi, and l is equal to pi. Okay, my period will become l equal to pi. Substituting all these things in this expansion, what I am going to get here. Okay, one by one I will discuss. Now a naught will become, okay, l is equal to pi, I have to substitute, therefore it will become 1 by pi integration from my alpha to alpha plus 2 pi will become minus pi to plus pi, minus pi to plus pi f of x into dx. This is my a naught. Okay, substituting the values here, what, l equal to pi. Next in an also I will substitute l equal to pi, that will become 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi, okay, f of x into cos n pi x by l. L is again pi, therefore pi cancels, nx will remain, therefore it is a cos nx dx is nothing but my an. For this particular interval, this is my an. Like that, bn also I will calculate. Bn will become 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi, okay, minus pi to plus pi f of x into sin n pi x by l. L is again pi, therefore pi cancels, nx, sin nx into dx. This is my bn. Using these a naught, an and bn, my Fourier series will become f of x is equal to a naught divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by l is there. L is equal to pi, cancels again, cos nx, nx just, plus bn into sin n pi x by l is there, again l pi cancels, equal to nx. Whenever the interval minus pi to plus pi is given, these four formulas you can remember and you can simplify. One example on this I am going to evaluate now here. Okay, my next example is obtain the Fourier series for the function x square in minus pi less than or equal to x less than pi, and hence deduce that 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus equal to up to infinity, that must be equal to pi square by 12. Like that, 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square equal to pi square by 6. And also you have to reduce that 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 7 square and so on equal to pi square by 8 I have to reduce. Here the function Fourier series is a period, to find out that it is a periodic function of period 2 pi. Here f of x is equal to x square is a periodic function of a period 2 pi, okay, that is equal to 2l, and one more in minus pi to plus pi. Okay, that is given by, our Fourier series is given by f of x is equal to a naught divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos nx plus bn into sin nx. Okay, here a naught, an and bn I have to evaluate. Okay, let me find out here a naught first. Now the Fourier coefficient a naught is given by a naught is equal to 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi f of x dx, 1 by pi, and f of x is the what, x square, integration of x square is x cube divided by 3 between the limits minus pi to plus pi. Therefore 1 by 3 you can take common, that is 1 by 3 pi, upper limit pi cube minus lower limit x equal to minus pi, therefore minus pi cube, and minus cube will become minus, minus of minus plus, therefore 2 pi cube, one of the pi will cancel, pi square will remain, therefore a naught equal to 2 pi square divided by 3. Like that, an I have to calculate now. An is given by, Fourier coefficient an is given by 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi f of x into cos nx dx. Okay, again f of x is nothing but x square. Let me substitute 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi, f of x is x square into cos nx. To integrate this, I will use Bernoulli's rule to integrate this. That is 1 by pi outside as it is. I will choose this one as u and I will choose this one as a v. That is the first function as it is, x square, integration of cos nx is sin nx divided by n, minus differentiation of x square is 2x, and integration of sin nx divided by n will become minus cos nx divided by, already n is there, one more n will come, that is n square, then plus differentiation of 2x is nothing but 2, and integration of minus cos nx by n square will become, already minus is there, cos integration is sin nx, and divided by, already n square is there, one more n will come, that will become n cube. This is the integration of x square into cos nx dx. Here in this, next term will come minus, but differential of 2 will become 0. That's why you have to stop here between the limits minus pi to plus pi. Okay, whenever I am using the values for upper limit and lower limit for sine term, sin n pi is always 0. What is that? Sin n pi is equal to 0. Therefore, both for upper limit and lower limit, sine containing term will become 0. Need not to substitute for upper limit and lower limit here. Like that, for this term also will become 0. Only for this term I am going to substitute, and I am going to use cos n pi value is equal to minus 1 raised to n. Substitute both upper limit and lower limit for the second term, and this will become minus of minus plus. I can write it as now 1 by pi, and already it is minus of minus, plus is there, and 2 also I can take outside, 2 times, okay, x equal to upper limit first, pi into cos n pi, okay, cos n pi, n square also I will write outside. Next, minus lower limit is x, 2 I have taken common for x, minus pi, and minus already taken common, this will become cos minus n pi, but cos of minus theta is what? Cos of minus theta is also cos theta only, Therefore, simplifying this, I am going to get it as 2 divided by n square pi into, again I can take pi common, cos n pi minus 1 raised to n, and minus of minus plus pi is already taken common, cos again minus theta is plus theta, therefore is equal to minus 1 raised to n. This pi cancels, which is equal to minus 1 raised to n minus 1 raised to n, 2 times minus 1 raised to n, 2 into 2 4, 4 times minus 1 raised to n divided by n square equal to an. This is my an. Like that, I have to evaluate for bn now. Okay, bn is given by Fourier coefficient. Bn is given by 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi f of x into sin nx dx. But again, f of x is what here? X square. 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi, f of x is x square into sin nx dx. Okay, which is equal to 1 by pi. Okay, integration of this, same Bernoulli's rule I will use again here, x square into first term as it is, this is u, this is my phi, integration of sin will become minus cos nx divided by n. Okay, and then minus differentiation of x square is 2x, integration of minus cos nx is minus sin nx divided by n square. Already one n is there, one more n will come, n square, plus differentiation of 2x is 2, and minus sin nx integration will become plus, already minus is there, minus of minus plus, cos nx divided by, already n square is there, one more n will become n cube, between the limits minus pi to plus pi. Okay, evaluate this, upper limit and lower limit you have to substitute. Before that, again using sin n pi x, sin contained term, totally for both upper limit and lower limit it will become 0. Only for these two I have to substitute. That is 1 by pi upper limit pi square into minus cos n pi divided by n. Okay, plus 2 times cos n pi divided by n cube. This is my upper limit, minus lower limit x equal to minus pi square into minus cos of minus n pi divided by n, and here plus 2 into cos of minus n pi x equal to minus pi whole divided by n cube. Simplify this, let us check what I am going to get. That is 1 by pi, okay, 1 by pi, and here pi square minus 1 raised to n I can write, divided by n. Okay, cos n pi, and this one plus 2 by 2 into minus 1 raised to n divided by n cube I can write, and this one minus pi raised to 2 will become plus pi square, and due to this minus of minus plus pi square, cos of minus 1 minus theta is again plus theta, therefore it will become minus 1 raised to n divided by n, minus plus minus 2 times cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, therefore I can write it as a minus 1 raised to n divided by n cube. Check it, what are the terms I am going to get here. Pi square minus 1 raised to n divided by n plus pi square minus 1 raised to n cancels, 2 minus 1 raised to n cube, these two also cancels. Therefore, my bn value is nothing but 0. Substituting this a naught, an and a naught in the Fourier series becomes f of x f of x equal to x square I can write it as a naught divided by 2, that is 2 times pi square divided by 3 whole divided by 2, a naught divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an is 4 times minus 1 raised to n divided by n square into cos nx plus bn is 0 into sin nx. Okay, simplifying this, I am going to get x square, I can write it as pi square divided by 3 plus, and here in the summation n is varying, therefore I can write 4 outside, 4 times summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n into cos nx divided by n square. This is the required Fourier series. From this, deductions I have to do now. Okay, that I will do in next. Now, to do the deductions, let me put first one. Let me put x is equal to 0. That x equal to 0 must lie between the interval minus pi to plus pi. 0 is lying belongs to minus, it between that one you have to select. Okay, therefore let me substitute x equal to 0 in this. F of 0, that is equal to 0 pi square divided by 3 plus 4 times summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n into cos 0 divided by n square. But cos 0 is 1. Okay, simplifying this one, this pi square divided by 3 I will shift to the left hand side. Pi square divided by 3 equal to 4 times summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n divided by n square. This 4 also I will shift it to other side. That will become summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n divided by n square equal to pi square divided by 12. Okay, in this expansion, if you are substituting n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, I am going to get the required. Okay, which implies n equal to 1 minus 1 raised to 1 is minus. This will become minus, this is minus. Minus 1 by 1 square plus 1 by, sorry, minus 1, next n equal to 2, minus 1 raised to 2 is plus 1 divided by 2 square. Next n equal to 3, minus 1 raised to 3 will become minus 1 divided by 3 square plus 1 divided by 4 square minus so on equal to minus pi square by 12. Both side multiplying by minus, I am going to get it as 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus so on equal to pi square by 12. I am multiplying both side by minus. To take the next deduction, let me put x equal to say pi. Put x is equal to pi in the previous one, that is x equal to pi, that will become f of pi, that is pi square equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 times summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n cos n pi, correct, divided by n square. Simplifying this, pi square is already there left hand side and shifting that pi square divided by 3 on the left hand minus pi square divided by 3 equal to 4 times, correct, 4 times summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n cos n pi is again minus 1 raised to n divided by n square. Minus 1 raised to n into minus 1 raised to n minus 1 raised to 2n, that will become plus 1, that is 1 by n square. Simplifying here left hand side, that is LCM I am going to get it as LCM is 3, therefore 3 pi square minus pi square will become 2 pi square into this 1 by 4 I will shift to other side, this will remain summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to 2n divided by n square. Then here 2 ones are 2 2s are. Okay, this is nothing but summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square is equal to, that is equal to pi square divided by 6. That n equal to 1 2 3 if I am using, I will get the second one, that is 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus so on equal to pi square divided by 6. This is my second deduction. And to get the third one, to get the third deduction, let me add first result and second result. Okay, adding first and second deductions. Okay, that is, check here, left hand side 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square, they will cancel, and my left hand side will remain here what, 2 times 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 2 cancels, 1 by 3 square plus 1 minus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 4 square cancels. Then next will remain 1 by 5 square equal to pi square by 12 plus pi square by 6. Again taking LCM as 12. Okay, pi square plus 2 pi square will become 3 pi square. Okay, 3 pi square by 12, that is 3 ones are 3 4s are, and this 2 I will shift to the other side and I will get the required answer, which implies 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on equal to pi square divided by 2 is shifted to the other side, 4 into 2 8. This is my required answer, final answer. Okay, like this some more examples I am going to solve in my next video. Please subscribe my channel, give the comments, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends.